Here are 3 prismatic cells. We have combined them to form a module. Modules are combined into series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 cells are there. BMS cable is connected here. We have connected battery pack based on BMS series handling capabilities.
13S, 15s, 20s BMS means. How to know series value of BMS.
13S, 20S, 19S is written above the BMS module. You can see the arrangement here. 3 cells are connected in positive and 3 cells are connected in negative. Yes, they are connected in parallel.
In a cell, by seeing how to find which side is positive and which is negative.
Silver side is positive and copper negative.
Thanks.
These are parts of cell. First positive and second negative. There are 3 cells, forming one module. There are 3 cells connected forming a modules. All module coincided into series connection. The series adds to the series.
These 3 cells are in parallel.
Yes. They form one module. So there are only 3 cells connected into parallel. All battery pack module are connected in series. Diagram. You are looking at Tata Tiger EV battery pack using prismatic lithium-ion cell. A single cell nominal voltage is 3.2 V and 72 Ah is current capacity. The operating voltage of battery pack is 72 V and its total current carrying capacity is 216 Ah. In this battery pack 3 prismatic cells are forming one module. There are 24 modules here which are connected in series. Connecting modules in series, voltage has increased. But capacity remains same. So the idea is whenever you want to increase the voltage, we connect in series connection, and to increase the Ah of the battery pack we connect them in parallel. You can see here, one battery pack is connected in parallel which has increased the Ah value. We have 3 sets of 72 Ah batteries which are connected in parallel. All 24 module are connected into series connection. Battery operating voltage is 72 V. This is how our battery pack operates.